income streams flowing smoothly. One word you need to remember when it comes to passive income: diversification. Diversification is like spreading your eggs across multiple baskets, so if one basket falls, you still have others intact. In the context of passive income, this means not relying on a single source. Instead, explore various avenues, from investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, to creating online platforms such as blogs, ebooks, or online courses. Each source acts as a safety net, ensuring that even if one income stream dries up, others continue to flow. Diversifying your passive income sources not only enhances the reliability of your income, but also provides a buffer against market volatility and changes in audience preferences. By spreading your efforts across different income streams, you're setting yourself up for a more stable and resilient financial future. A diversified passive income portfolio is your ticket to long-term